guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Angelite stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, the half double crochet V-stitch, and the single crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make a half double crochet V-stitch, which is a half double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet all into the same chain. Now we're going to continue on with this sequence. Skip 2 chains, half double crochet V into the next one. Skip 2 chains, half double crochet V into the next one. So we're now going to continue with this sequence of skipping 2 chains and making a half double crochet V-stitch into the next one until you reach the end of this row. When you reach the end of this row and you only have 3 chains left, skip 2 like we had been doing. Work 1 half double crochet by itself into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence. We're going to be making a single crochet decrease into this stitch where we just made our single crochet and the next chain space of a previous half double crochet V. So you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, take that through all of the loops. And that's that decrease made into that stitch and the next chain space. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. And then we're going to be doing that same, a single crochet decrease into this stitch and the next chain space. Single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet decrease into this same stitch and next chain space. Single crochet into this next stitch, single crochet decrease into this stitch where we just made that single crochet and this next chain space from a previous half double crochet V-stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet decrease into this same stitch and then this next chain space, single crochet into this next stitch, single crochet decrease into this same stitch and this next chain space. Now at the end of this row, you're going to have some chains over here. Make 1 single crochet into the tops of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet stitch. So row 3 is going to be very similar to row 1. We're going to need to make these half double crochet V-stitches. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make a half double crochet V-stitch. And this is going to be our sequence. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, make a half double crochet V-stitch. And you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 1 stitch and making a half double crochet V-stitch into the next one until you reach the end of this row. When you reach the end of this row, into the last stitch, make 1 half double crochet by itself to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Angelite stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.